like the way they have these turn signals built in. That's pretty neat. That is that.
What content were you thinking about doing for your YouTube channel?
A little bit of everything, really. I do all this stuff. Take a look. Is business good?
Yeah, very business. Yeah, so here we got the 2023s.
Oh, this is 23s?
23s, yes.
So what's the difference in these ones?
Between the 2022s and
Yeah, the 2023s.
The biggest difference between the 2022s and the 2023s is really the different colorways that they come in.
Okay, I see you got a, what is that, just straight black?
Yeah, straight black. So for 2022, the colorways, that was one of the colorways they had, that great photo right there on the poster.
Oh, okay.
Basically,
that's nice though. Looks like more like a silver.
Yeah, but it was a more silver and red.
This is more of a graphite, huh? What do they call this one?
This is a graphite metallic gray.
Nice. It's a nice bike. How many horses are the Hayabusa making now?
Right at 289.
What?
289.
What did the original Hayabusa come out with?
I don't know right off the top of my head. I definitely have to look that up.
I gotta look that up because wow, that's a lot of horses, man. What's the top end?
The top speed?
Yeah.
The top speed. Sorry, that's what I told you. Top speed on these are 289. That's what they top out at.
Okay, that's what I was thinking. So how many horses you think? 189. 189. Oh, I like the little red trim you got going on here. A little custom work looking straight out the factory. I like that.
2022s, the black ones, the black colorways had an orange secondary color like that. And then they made, for 2023, they made an all black version. And then they also have a white version, which is white and a orange.
So, is this me? What's the size of the tire that they come with from OEM?
They come with
manufacturing.
180 real there.
180? Because I know you could go up as what, 300 or more?
It's, what's the M109 tire? 240.
240? How much is that? How much is that mod to go 240 on these?
You'd have to do a swing arm.
Swing arm and everything. So it gets a little costly then.
Yeah, that would be our general manager, Steven. He's like a custom build guy.
Gotcha.
But to be honest with you, it'll affect the handling of the boost if you go to a tire that big.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Well, it makes it a straight line.
Yeah, it's just a drag.
Yeah.
That's fine. That's what a boost is for.
Yeah, makes it a quarter mile. Makes it a quarter mile.
Like, Pete, what's happening?
Yeah, Andre.
What's going on? Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, brother. Appreciate you.
So you just want to do a YouTube thing?
Yeah, I'm starting my little YouTube channel, man. I was hoping I could take her out and take a look at it.
Yeah, man, absolutely.
That's cool.
What's pull it out a little bit, whatever.
Yeah, that'd be great. I'd appreciate that.
Yep, you're in good hands with Lance.
Yeah. What was your name again, sir?
Pete.
Pete. Thank you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you, Pete. Appreciate you.
You ride?
Yes. About a couple Harleys. Triumph.
We want to hold that against you.
I like these, man. I have to get back on these one of these days, but I'm getting a little older, so you know how it is.
It's still a nice ride, though, man.
It is.
It's a Cadillac, man.
It is a Cadillac.
And of course, this is the third generation of it. So.
Do they make bags for these? I know they make the soft bags.
Yeah, they make bags. Yeah.
Yeah, if you have to go for.
Now I'm not sure for the third gen whether they're out yet, but I'm sure they will be.
The size of these cans, man. How much do these weigh?
It's all emissions, man.
Yeah.
That's what it's all down to, emissions now.
How much is a good set of exhaust for this?
So Brock's makes an alien head set up for that. It's about $2,400 the one we sold, but you got to have the power commander, then it's got to be tuned.
Yep.
So when you get into that, it's 3,000 plus.
3,000 plus. How much weight? How much weight do you lose off of it though?
You probably lose 30 pounds.
That's pretty.
Do the whole system, yeah.
That's pretty good on a motorcycle.
It's a lot, man.
Yeah, to lose 30 pounds off a bike.
Good Go to it, man.
Yeah, let's do it, man.
I
Let's do it.
personally don't need that because that bike is 0 to crap my diaper in about 2 seconds.
How many seconds?
2 seconds.
It gets real quick, huh?
Yeah, one little twisty grippo and
Okay, I'll make sure I'm careful then.
So we actually got them lower, a little bit lower than that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's nice to know. That's nice to know. So what other colors? These are the main colors, or there's more colors?
Yeah, so there's 3 colorways for 2023. This is one, and then they have a white and a royal blue color
Oh.
as well.
Do you have the white in?
We do. Well, now it's sold. It's getting
Greg
built.
sold it yesterday.
Yeah.
You sold yesterday. Is it still in the shop?
Yeah, they're well, it hasn't been built yet. It's still in the crate.
Oh, it's still in the crate.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
so it still needs to be put together and built.
That's what's up, man. Let's do it, man. I love to see it. Thank you for watching. If you're still watching at this point, I appreciate you watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I didn't get a chance to ride the Hayabusa. I hope to at least get a chance to do so at a later time. All these bikes were new, 2023s, and on the floor, ready to go. So I hate other people to ride my bikes as well. So I'm sure you all understand. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again.